The internet is a powerful thing. I love the computers. It's great, but there's a dark side to it. At any given time, there are over 50,000 pedophiles on MySpace. Now, this was before Facebook, so I'm sure there's more at any given time who are trying to seduce our children and take them right out of our house. Now, there's a light at the end of the tunnel. I don't want to freak y'all out, but there's a light at the end of the tunnel. And the tools I'm going to talk to you about today, 10 different tools that we've used that my wife and I have come up with. But as a parent, you can't throw in the towel. That's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I've had so many parents come up to me, write us letters, emails. I've got teenagers now, and I'm done. They're aliens. They're the weirdest people in the world. I can't deal with them. But they need you then the most. That's when the kids need you the most. What you want your kids to be, you must be. You've got to look in the mirror and say, you know what? We're not all bad people. You guys are probably great parents, but can we be better, you think? We can all do a little bit better. What we would do is we would take the kids, we'd say, listen, it's positive validation for parents. Every time, and we explain this to them at family night, we catch you doing something good, you're going to put in a cotton ball. And when it's completely full, we're going to do something. So as a family, we'd say we're going to go to Dunkin' Donuts, Winchell's Donuts, whatever you want to do. Get some hot chocolate, go for a walk in the park. Now, if you decide you want to take your kids to Disneyland, you better get a trash can, because it'll fill up quick. What you want your kids to be as parents, you need to be. And that's something that we all need to do. Again, I want to thank you. I want to thank Linda and the consortium for having McKay and I come out. Thank you very much.